Hi there, this is Tiago with another spreadsheet tutorial. Now let's say you have two dice and they both have 6 sides, and when you roll these dice you add up the values. How would you find the probability of getting the number 7 using OpenOffice? Well, the solution is pretty straightforward. What you could simply do is add the cell H3 to the cell G4, okay, and you put the result in this cell over here, and with the formula from this cell you just copy it across the entire table like this, okay. So you'd get this cell, you'd copy the formula from it to all these cells over here, and that is how you'd figure out the likelihood of getting a 7. So let me show you what I mean in more detail. Go to this cell over here, add the cell G4 to the cell H3, and just after H, leave the $sign like this, okay? And just before the G, leave another $sign. That means you'll be able to add up all the values from H1 to H6 to all the values from G4 to G6, okay? So you only need to sort out this cell over here, and you copy the result to the entire table to perform this function and to figure out the likelihood of getting a 7. So once you're at this stage, just hit enter like this, and then copy this cell over here and paste it across the entire table, just like this. And as you can see, the 7s appear, the 6s appear, and the 5s appear. And you can find out the likelihood of getting a 7 by finding out how many 7s there are compared to the 36 cells or 36 new cells that we've produced. Now if you'd like to color the cells in, just select this cell over here, hold down CTRL and click on the 7s like this. Then go to the color scheme over here and select the color of your choice. So I've selected green. Now there are 6 cells out of 36 which contain the number 7. So that means that if you were to roll 2 dice and add up the values, there would be a 6 in 36 chance or 1 in 6 chance of getting a 7. Okay, so this is how you can perform this kind of calculation using spreadsheet software such as OpenOffice. If you have any questions in regards to this video, leave them in the comment section and I'll try to respond. For more videos like this, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.